Welcome to Flowbase CO. Now let's see how to use the academic tab in the student planner template. So here I'll just try to go and click this academic over here. So once I get into this one, you can see the complete heading as academic over here, and then below this we have the how to use. So when I just try to click this drop down, you have the complete details on how to use this particular page. So I'll just close this one. So now you can see on the academic, so the first thing is we have the today's task. So what all tasks are there? All the list of tasks is first completely listed. If you want to list down only the today's task, so then you can just try to go and click today's task over here. So then you can see only the today's task will be listed. That's nothing but I don't have any task today. So that's why no task is completely listed over here. So next I have the completed task. So if I go and click completed task, so whatever task have been already completed, that will be listed. So you can see that is also we don't have any completed task. So that's why it's not listed. So you can just try to go to the list view and then you can see all the tasks. Then you have a new button over here. So if you want to go and create a new task, you can just try to go and click this new button and then create a new task from here. Below this one, you have the upcoming task. You can see these are the upcoming tasks. You can see all these tasks over here. So since all these have been not completed, so that's why still we are getting it as upcoming tasks. So the status also you can see it's all is to do and in progress. So none of the tasks have been completed. If you go to tomorrow, whatever task we have, we don't have anything. This week we don't have. And then this month, if you see, for that also we don't have any task. So automatically you can have some different filters over here and then you can just try to view all your tasks from here. Then below this one, you can see you have the daily reflection. So you can just try to go and click this button and then create a daily reflection to track your growth and how you are trying to spend your time. Then below this, you have the reflection archive. So there you can have all your past reflections are completely stored over there. So then on the right hand side, you have the task by priority. So here you can see you have the high priority task, then you have the medium priority task, and then low priority. So here the tasks are actually categorized based on the priorities over here. Then you have the completed tasks. So this week, this month, and all tasks. So here you can see what are all the tasks which have been completed. You will be able to completely get it over here. Then below this one, you have the overdue task. So all these are nothing but the overdue tasks which have passed your due date and you have not still completed these particular tasks. So that's all the tasks have been listed over here. You can just try to go and complete these tasks as well. Then comes your task calendar. So here you can see we have the complete task calendar. You have this week and then this month. So if I just try to go for the previous month, you can see these are some of the different tasks which we have for that particular month. So like this, there can be multiple tasks you can just try to manage with the help of this particular task calendar. So this is about the complete academic tab on the student planner template. Also on the left hand side, you can see you have the navigation buttons. You can just try to go to the home page. Then you have a button to create a new task. You have just a button. You can just try to click this and then create a new task. Then you have the notification panel. So all your notifications will be completely over here. And then you have the notes. So if you want to just try to take any notes, you can just try to click notes and then you can add whatever notes you want to add. You can just try to add it. So this is the complete details about the academic tab on the student planner template.